Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to clear history in Perplexity. We have some few options, so we will go through them. So let's get straight into it. We basically have four options, so stick with me till the end. So we will start with the option number one. So use this to remove specific searches while keeping the rest of your history intact. So open the sidebar, you will see it here. If you don't have it opened, just click here on this first icon and it will spread like this. Now select the thread, so hover over to the specific search you want to remove. So we have it right here, as you can see, under the history button. Now what you need to do, basically just hover over with your mouse, and at the right you will see these three dots. What you need to do, just click on it and then delete thread. And just like that, you have deleted the individual thread. Now, then option number two, we have basically we can remove all previous search interaction from our account. So let's go to the settings here at the profile icon at the bottom left corner, and then select um, all the settings, just like that. Okay, so now we are in the settings, account settings. But if you don't see here any history, what we can also do, so I don't see it right here, what we can do is go back here, and here on the left side you will see history here in this menu at the top. So if you click on it, you will find here what you basically typed and what you searched about. Now, how you can delete all of them, you will see here at the top right corner next to the new threaded button these small three icons, uh, dots basically, and if you click on them you will see here delete all. That means that you will delete all the threads that you have here in the history. Now, for clearing history in the mobile app, you will just tap the same. So just tap library icon and then long press settings account, and then clear history is the same also as right here. Also, what you can do that you don't basically save history in the first place, you can open your browser incognito private mode. So how you can do that? If we are here in the new chat right here, you can take a look at the top right corner. You will see this icon. So basically it's incognito mode. And now as you can see, we are in the incognito, and this won't save any history whatsoever when you type in something and searching. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.